Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to XI Human. This is Philosophy of Science Part 2, and today we'll be covering epistemology. So let's get started. So, what actually is epistemology? Well, basically, it's a study of nature and scope of knowledge, or it's sought to answer questions such as how we know whatever we know. Now, for example, let's say this is you, and this is a rabbit. But how do you know it's a rabbit? Now though it sounds funny, but you have got fundamentally an idea how a rabbit looks like, which helps you identify that it's a rabbit. Coming back to epistemology, it is basically based on three principles: truth, belief, and justification. Truth is basically based on facts, which indeed means that we could not dissent any falsehood. Now, belief, on the other hand, is simply how we take these facts to be, while justification is what our beliefs are based on. Now, for an instance, this is Lisa. She has got cough and fever for a couple of days. Now, she has started to believe that she has COVID-19, while the truth is she doesn't have COVID-19, but she doesn't know it, as truth in this case is independent of the belief. So a simple justification in this case to prove her belief to be right or wrong would be a COVID-19 test. Epistemology, hence, is the pursuit of truth. Now, without epistemology, human beings have no reason, literally no reason, to believe in their thoughts and actions. Teachers giving assignment and classwork to the students won't make any sense because there'll be no distinction between the truths and errors. Hence, epistemology provides us with this significant framework which help us accept our truths. But where does the knowledge come from? And why do we believe what we believe? Well, to decide, there are three different sources: reason, experience, and divine sources. This girl, let's say, committed a theft. She stole a medicine from a nearby store to save someone's life. But is she guilty or not guilty? Now your knowledge to decide her being guilty or not would be based on a reason if you decide on the basis of the rules and regulations. Now this kind of approach in epistemology is known as rationalism. Your knowledge would be based on experience if your explanation involves observations from so many proven cases of what wrong and right behaviors are. This kind of approach of knowing through your experience is known as empiricism. The theological way of knowing what is wrong and what is right is through scriptures and faith.